Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. It seems to be an easy one. So what I'll do is as always, star, remove the width and height, and the background color will be this one. Let's paste it. We need not have that semicolon. Now I'll use A, then B, then A, B, C, and then A, B, C, D. Wait, let me try. Maybe we need not do it this way. Hope it works like this, because this looks pretty better than what I did before. So I'll use A to create this one, the longitudinal one. So I'll give a rough width of 50, a height of 150, and then background color is going to be this one, and position fixed. Okay, it seems to be broader than it should be, 40. Now let's use margin. So the margin will be, I'll start with, as always, 100 and 100, 20, 30, 40, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 178, 177, 176, 175, 177, 178, 179, 177 looks pretty perfect. I'll take it a little bit up, which will be 38, 37. Now I'll take the width to maybe 30. Yeah, 30 is correct, and height will be 200, 10. Yeah, 210 is perfect. Now we'll use not margin, it will be border radius, which will be 15 pixel. So let's see it without the difference. Seems pretty perfect, although I think we need to do a little bit something with the margins. So 176.5. Should it work this way? One 76, 177, 178. Yeah, 177 should be perfect. Now we'll use square bracket B. It will have the same properties, except it will have a rotate of 90 degree, and it's perfect. Now we'll use C, and the C will have a rotate of 45 degree, and it will just have some smaller height, which should be, I think, 105. No, it's more than 105, 150 maybe. And we need to change the margin a little. So margin will be, I'll begin with the original one, so 37 and 177. Now I'll try to make it 47, 57, 67. Yeah, this is the margin, and now I'll use D Again the height will be, okay, first I'll do a rotate of -45 degree, and the height will obviously go to 150, and the margin will be 67, 177. Let's submit it now. There could be some difference we can make. Let's see. Okay, it's a 100% match, although honestly I didn't expect one. What if I do this and then remove these properties for D? Yeah, good. Even better. So, is there anything else we can do? We got a score of 651. And once again, (652.03), and this is the last submit. After that, it's the end of the video. So 652.53. So that's our final score. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.